Yeah!
Are you ready to dive deep into the ocean where a whole new world of animals can be found? That's right. Today, we're going to draw a fish. So grab a sheet of paper, a pencil, and your crayons, and let's get started.
Oh!
We're going to start by drawing our fish's body. Draw a big oval like this. One of the things that all fish have in common are their fins that help them swim around all day long. Let's draw the ones on the dorsal, which is at the top of the fish's body. Draw 2 half circles on top of the oval you just drew. At the bottom of the body, draw 2 new semicircles similar to the ones you just drew. There you go! You just drew the pectoral fins. These are the fish's fins, and each one is a little different. To finish the fins, draw the ones that make up the fish's tail by drawing a heart shape connecting the bottom of the heart to the oval. There you go! Our fish can now swim and go find Nemo. But in order to find Nemo, or be able to search for food, our fish needs something. That's right, eyes. On the left side inside our oval, draw 2 circles side by side. And then draw 2 circles inside those circles. Look at those cute eyes. Fish have a very special way of breathing. They don't have noses like you and I do, but they do have a mouth for eating. So let's give our cute fish a mouth. All we need to do is draw a small circle below the eye on the left. And inside this circle, draw a smaller one so our fish has his mouth open to make lots of bubbles. Do you know what is on the outside of a fish? Hair? Fur? Nope, fish have scales. And underwater, they have the most amazing colors. Add detail to your fish by drawing some open semicircles in a neat line from top to bottom. The flat, open part of the semicircle should be facing the fish's head. 3 scales down, and now a new column. And keep going until you get to its tail. Maybe near its tail fin, in the smaller part of the oval, you only have room to draw 1 or 2 scales in each column. But that's okay. How many scales does your fish have? Now that we've drawn our fish, it's time to make it beautiful with lots of color. Feel free to get creative and choose whatever colors you want. As we said before, fish have the most amazing colors underwater. The sky's the limit, Lingokids. For our fish, we'll use red, darker red, and black. Use the red crayon to color the fish's body. Be careful not to color the scales. With the darker red, you can finish the body by coloring those scales. Amazing! And finally, use the black crayon to color the eyes and the mouth. How cool! Go ahead and add bubbles around your fish and maybe even a nice blue background. Parents, your child did great. We'd love it if you'd share their artwork with us on social media for a chance to be featured on our channels. There's nothing better than seeing the art made by our Lingokids families around the world. Just tag us.